Hello everyone, this is my kitchen review. My name's Helen. At the moment I am actually halfway through this project, so I'm just going to do a review of what's happening so far. So I've bought this kitchen from B&Q, from their range Alpinia matte ivory shaker style kitchen. I've bought this kitchen during the sale, in a January sale, 20% off, and which was a no-brainer for me, because I generally wanted a new kitchen anyway. Well, needed a new kitchen because the old one was just wear and tear, extremely wear and tear. But this is what it is so far. So at the moment I've got the only appliance I've bought from B&Q is the Bosch stainless steel oven, as you can see, and this is the most expensive oven I've ever had because I've only had Beko and Whirlpool. This is this is a really sleek design. I think this is the most poshest one ever I've had. So if I was to move house, I'd actually want to take this with me to my new house, new property, because this is so stylish. So I've not used it yet, as you may imagine, because it's still halfway through completion. So I've had a little fiddle with them, with the controls. So this is this side is for the grill side, which is this one, and the left control is for the main oven, which is this bottom center here, and looking so good so far, really, no complaints. The larder panel, rock solid wood. It's not really wood, but it's fiber density, I think it is. But it's still very good quality, decent quality for what you get, for the main retailers, kitchen retailers, should I say. At the moment, so far, just the base units completely fitted. This side is for the drawers. This is the cabinet, a cupboard, and this side is another set of drawers, and this side is another cabinet or cupboard, whichever you want to call it. At the top we have more cabinets. He's fully put the shelving as well. And another cabinet. There are two sides for this one. One's for the plates. I'm going to put some plates in these ones, and the smaller one is for your glasses or your cupware, and all sorts, whichever you decide to do with it. And the only appliance I've bought outside is the cooker hood, chimney cooker hood, and the gas hob as well, because I'm using this house runs on gas mainly. So yeah, so I've bought this cooker hood. It's Russell Hobbs. I bought this one from AO.com because that's my trusted site for appliances mainly. I've been using them for quite a lot actually, so I'm very glad that I can still use them. So no, that was a no-brainer for me. Sockets wise, I'm keeping the sockets of where they need to be placed. They're going to be in the same place, but he's already plastered one so far because it was too near the hob, which is a health and safety issue. So he's done that. At the moment I'm replacing the face sockets because obviously, as you can see, they're really dirty, very old. They don't fit in with the standards anymore, modern standards. And that's, yeah, it's pretty much the same here. But so far so good. He's very sturdy. He's fitted these into the wall stud very strongly. What I didn't know was when his house was first built. Mind you, this is 26-year-old property. This house, built in 1996. I've seen the deeds when I first bought this house. I've lived here actually 12 years now, but I recently bought the house from my landlord, so that was quite nice. What I didn't know was when it was first built, when this house was first built, the base units wasn't screwed onto the wall as it should have been. That was on behalf of More Furniture Group. I think they still exist. I've looked up on the website on Google. So yeah, this house was first built in 1996, and 26 years ago. This is 26-year-old house, and it's still classed as a new build because on the outside it still looks like a new build. But anyway, with his kitchen, it's back to the kitchen. So far he's installed the sink and the worktop, or the worktop and the sink, and the panels as well, and the pipe fittings as well as that. This morning, he replaced the valve for the washing machine because I had to do some important washing. So that's been sorted now. This is going to be my dishwasher space to fit in. So that's that. And then, so as far as the worktop is concerned, it's not pre-oiled as it states on the website. However, you still have to maintain them anyway yourself from time to time to maintain it properly. So far there's some slight imperfections. We have used this for a couple of days now, 2 days now, and as you can see there's a scratch on that, but hopefully we can remove that. I think I'm going to make sure of that sooner or later. Again, another plug socket. We will replace the covers, the face covers for that, and that's a new sink as well. And he's fixed the disturbing noise with the tap itself, because on the old one it wasn't running as smoothly as it should have been. So he's fixed that for good. So that's that as well. I am going to put a new door in because, as you can see, got a net curtains, which I absolutely hate. So because it doesn't bode down too well with the design, as I would have thought. Not to my taste. We're gonna have new windows fitted as well, new side windows. Obviously not with B&Q because it's too costly for me to do it with them. So I've hired another supplier for them. And tiles wise, I'm going to tile this with the Trenty green wall tiles. They're actually a really popular style, colour as well. Because I've looked on the B&Q website, the reviews for them, the pictured reviews, and they look absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful and lush, especially with these off-white cabinets. And they will bring out the contrast in those two colours. So that will be, hoping they will look great once they're on. Because and I'm going to have it all tiled on the side here of the wall. Because as you can see from the ripping apart stage. It was only tiled up to here. So, and you can see that was the 90s style trend of the times. So it's a flat floor. It was a floral style tile. So you can tell it's a 90s kitchen. It was a 90s kitchen. And that's, oh, he's going to paint the walls as well. As you can see, it's in grey. It should be in grey, but he's going to do another coat because it's very not too opaque as it should be. But he's going to do another coat on that. So yeah, so far so good. And at the top here we've got the caraway bridging unit. I've been told by my fitter that originally they were going to put it very high up to the near to the ceiling, but even though I am tall, I'm about 5'7", I am not that tall to reach up there. So he's actually recommended to place it here. So, which is very highly recommended for my height as well. Oh, he's going to sand this part as well because, as you can see, it's very wear and tear. Looks horrid. And then at the bottom here, we've got a new plasterboard. Because, like I said, with the other side, it was nothing was done properly. It was just maybe cowboy builder or something with the fitters. Hence why I've got my own fitter, so that these things won't happen again. So so he's got a new plasterboard, as you can see. Now this is B&Q wasn't my first choice because I nearly went for the Howden's kitchen. Because I had loads of good reviews about them from my friends and family as well. Good positive reviews mainly. However, I decided to go with B&Q because they were slightly cheaper, and to be honest, it doesn't make much difference with the actual design as well, and the wood itself and the materials itself, because they're very much similar, like my fitter said, because it's just your average retailing group. So yeah, so far so good. If you do have any questions about this review, please drop down your comment on in your comments in the video, and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Oh, and in terms of kitchen fitter, I use my very own one because he can do literally everything except for the gas cooker, the gas hob, should I say, because he's self-employed and he does literally everything, plumbing, electrics, wood, assembling wood as well, assembling furniture. He's really good at it, as you can see from the result of this. So yeah, and for a kitchen this size, the fitting costs about nearly £1,000, but that was to be expected because obviously demand is so high and supply is so high as well. So yeah, that's pretty much normal, I'd say on average as well. But yeah, overall it's a very nice kitchen so far. I will post another review out when it's all finished, when I've actually tidied up everything as well, because everything that was in the cupboards, I've put them into the dining area, so that's full at the moment, jam-packed full. So yeah, so far so good, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.